In this lesson we're going to look at some harder examples with y take b equals mx take a. Let's look at this example here. Find the equation of the line passing through G24 and K45. Now the first thing you try to do in all these examples is you work out the gradient first. Now, eventually we're going into y take b equals mx take a. The reason we're doing that and not y equals mx plus c is because we don't know what the intercept is. Okay, so firstly let's do the gradient. So the gradient is delta y over delta x. Now I would start here and do 5 take away 4 on the top. Remember, y's are the second part of the coordinates, so 5 take away 4 on the top and 4 take away 2 in the bottom. Remember to always go in the same direction, so if you start here, take away this one, and then start here and take away this one. You can go in the opposite direction, but I always start with the second coordinate first. 5 take away 4 is 1, and 4 take away 2 is 2, so you end up with a half there. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write y take b equals mx take a down, and I'm going to write my information as the same as the last lesson. So the gradient's a half, you know that. And you can either pick the 2, 4 or the 4, 5. It doesn't really matter which one you go for here. I'm going to pick the 2 and the 4. Okay, so let's feed this information in here, and I know we've got a fraction here, but I'll show you how to sort that out. So y take away b, that's the 4 here, so y take away 4 equals a half, and you've got x take away a, because a is 2, so x take away 2. Now to sort all this out, I wouldn't multiply through the bracket by a half. I think that's a harder thing to do. There's an easier way to do it, to get rid of the fractions all at once, and that's to get rid of this 2 at the bottom. Now to get rid of the 2 at the bottom, basically you multiply everything by 2. So really what we do here is we times the y by 2 to get 2y, times the 4 by 2 to get 8, and if you times the multiplier by 2 here, 1 divided by 2 times 2, you just get a 1 in front of the bracket. You don't need to write the 1, I'm just showing you that so as you understand how to multiply the bracket out if you like. So 2y take away 8 equals 1 times x and 1 times minus 2. Then if you add the 8 to leave yourself with 2y, so add 8 to negative 2 and you get plus 6. I would leave it like that. You can divide by 2 again and write y equals a half x plus 3, but I tend to leave it in that format there. Okay, let's look at another example. So again, the first thing you should be doing here is working out the gradient. So find the equation of the line passing through 3, 2 and 7, 5. So starting with this one, I would do 5 take away 2 in the top and 7 take away 3 in the bottom. So 5 take away 2 is 3 and 7 take away 3 is 4. So it's 3 over 4. Now, write the equation of the line out. Y take b equals mx take a. Now the gradient is 3 over 4. And you can pick either point again. I'm going to pick 3 for a and 2 for b. So looking at this here, we're doing y take away 2 equals m's 3/4, so 3 over 4, and then x take away a, now a is 3. Again, to get rid of the fraction, instead of multiplying this bracket out by 3/4, which creates more fractions, you get rid of the 4 at the bottom. So how do we get rid of the 4 at the bottom? Well, you multiply by 4, multiply everything by 4. So this times 4 is 4y, this times 4 is 8, negative 8, so there's a takeaway there. 3 divided by 4 times 4 is just 3, and then just write your bracket out. So multiply the bracket at that point, so 4y take 8 is 3x take away 9, and then add your 8 on. So I just leave it with a 4y equals, and we've got negative 9 add 8, which is negative 1.